Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada. Today I want to show you my quick 30-second solution for sponges. I use Stampin' Sponges quite a lot for adding ink to my projects, and because I use them quite a bit, I actually like to have one piece of sponge per colour. Just means that I know I'm not going to get any cross-contamination with my projects. So I've nearly finished updating my system. I've had these boxes for many years. I have 3 of them with all my sponges in, and for the last 5 years I've had sponges in here, and I've had little pieces of card on them, and that was great. But I decided with the colour revamp that Stampin' Up! Have had this year that I would take the opportunity to completely revamp my sponges as well. So I've got rid of the old pieces of card that I had. Some of these I've got new sponges because some of the sponge are starting to wear away, it's been used so much, and I decided that I would use the circle tab punch, which is this one, to create little holders for the card that are actually the colour of the ink that's going to be on them. I've also got the name of the ink there so that I can find the ones that I want. Well, I've nearly finished now, and I thought I would show you quickly how I go about doing that. This is a Stampin' sponge. They come in packs of 3, and I cut my sponges into 6. So for each pack of sponges that I buy, I actually have enough sponge to do 18 colours. And as I say, I have had my sponges for probably 4 years, something like that, before I've had to replace them. So it's a really good investment to get these good sponges. And all I'm going to do is, with a pair of kitchen scissors, I'm going to cut my sponge into 3, that piece, and I'm going to cut the other half of the sponge into 3, like that. And then I already have one of my pieces cut. This is Merry Mallow. It's a new very deep burgundy red, which is beautiful. And the other colour that I have here is new, and this is the new Mango Melody. And all I do is put that into my punch and punch it out. Take that, fold it in half, and then I have a punch. This happens to be the old, now retired Stampin' Up! Punch, but you can use any punch on it if I don't drop it. And if it wasn't empty, let's just refill this. There we go. Okay, it's always the way, you always run out of staples just before the end. That was obviously too short. So there's one piece of sponge. And there's the other sponge. I have taken some Whisper White card, and with the 3/4 inch circle punch, I've just punched out a couple of circles. I've already written the names on the front, so I'll just put a little bit of liquid glue, and I'm going to put it on this side so it covers up those 2 little legs there of the staple. Press that into place. Do the Merry Mallow, and again over those 2 little legs of the staples. And there we are, all done. So now I have all my sponges all ready so that I can use them next time I have a project. So I hope that's been useful. As I say, the sponges do last such a long time, and you get 18 from a pack, so they really are good value. If you'd like to buy them, you can get them through my online store. You can also purchase the punches I've used today. The box was just a simple plastic box that I picked up in the local Dollarama store, so very inexpensive and definitely useful to have in the craft studio. So if you want more daily paper crafting inspiration, tips and the latest news from Stampin' Up, you can always go to my website and my daily blog, and that's at www.papercraftwithme.com. I hope to see you again soon when I've got my other teeth in. Thanks very much. Bye.